All right, so here's a quick one for you. And I'm not sure who needs to hear this, but this is a cheat code, okay? Real quick cheat code I want to share with you guys. All right, so check it out. If you're like me, a photographer, drone pilot who basically travels for projects and your, investments are put into backpacks, slings, camera bags, so on and so forth, right? You pay a lot of money, like I did for this Wandered 31-inch Provoke, one of their flagship bags. I also got their sling. Wander's a good product, by the way. I did a review on their backpacks in one of my other videos. But I also have a pneumatic. I got into pneumatic because of Peter McKinnon, one of our own photographer. And they make a really, really, really well put together product. But yeah, you spend all the money. I'm gonna be quick with this. You spend all the money on these these camera bags, right? And then come to find out, once you get the bag, they're flat, right? Because they have nothing inside them. So you actually have to invest in camera inserts, camera cubes, accessory pouches, tech pouches as they call them, and everything. And to me, that's frustrating, to buy a almost $300 backpack and then have to buy like $150 to $200 camera cubes or inserts to carry the accessories. Is ridiculous. It's the equivalent of going to Chipotle, a Mexican place, and being charged extra for the guacamole. So anyway, the cheat code, let's just get to that. The cheat code is getting cubes for way less than $150, way less. And how do I do it? I get these. And what are these? Check this out. This one is by, I don't know, Gainsborough, never heard of them, but it's a very nice quality, cube, well done. It's the same green color that I like. I like that green color, as you guys can tell. Here go another one. This one is by, let's see, Duchamp, D-U-C-H-A-M-P, Duchamp. Never heard of them, but again, another quality, nice feel, nice zippers. And this one by Hurley. I know you guys, you skaters out there, know about Hurley, you backpackers. Hurley, I just had to get it because of camo. Everybody loves camo, and it had this nice little orange like insert zipper. And let's take a look inside of them real quick. All right, check it out. So get out these inserts. You pretty much have the basic of what you need, but plenty of room for dongles, USB-C cables, whatever it is. Put your SD card rack in there. Plenty of room. How about this Hurley? Ooh, this I really like. Look at that beautiful orange, accent wall, as I'll say. There's 2 pouches in this bad boy. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. These things are great. Same one with about this one. I won't even go into it. But here's the cheat code. Let me just get down to the nitty gritty. Cheat code. How much do you think these bags cost all together? How much? I'll save you time. $30. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. You believe that? You know why? Because I didn't go to B&H to get these. I didn't go to Best Buy. I didn't go to Adirondack or all those other camera store places. You know where I went? I went to freaking TJ Maxx. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. TJ freaking Maxx. Now, on the low, these can be considered toiletry bags, right? But they can be anything you want. People use these for toiletries. People use these for their clippers if they travel. And then if you're a photographer like me, they can be totally used for freaking tech bags to put accessories in. I actually bought a Wandered tech bag for $100 on Amazon. And when I got it, it was no better than these. I was like, what? I just paid close to $70 for that tech bag, and it was the equivalent of what I would get from TJ Maxx. Check it out, $12, TJ Maxx, and I think I got a discount at 10. This was like, yeah, because everything came to about 30 with tax 32. This Hurley, this beautiful camouflage Hurley, super dope, $9.99. Can you believe that? And this Duchamp, never heard of them before, but I love the color because it matched my other backpack, so it would be a great accessory. It says, it was actually $15 and went down to $10. $15 was even low, but it went down to $10. So anyway, that's the cheat code to my photographers, drone pilot. And you guys know, look about the DJI backpacks that come in pretty much every new DJI drone. You get these little camera bags, like this. You could take these and actually stuff them in your backpack, because they're pretty good. So these are also good to have. Again, TJ Maxx, that's the cheat code I wanted to give to you guys. Enjoy it. I hope you guys, listen to reason. And you are the brands out there, Wonder, Pneumatic. Come on. Peak Design. Come on. Stop charging us separate for the camera cubes and inserts, the things that actually go with the bag. Sell the bag as one. We're already paying up to $200 to $300 for them. All right, that's my thoughts. Like and subscribe if you want some more. Bye-bye.